Welcome, my friends. Today I will make a salad, and this salad brings to me a nice memories because it's the first salad that I made when I arrived in this lovely island. Then I realized that with a few ingredients you can make something extraordinary. Let's start together my simple salad with talagani cheese, strawberries and chocolate. Follow me. Here I have nice rucola and baby spinach. Before then, I will turn on the fire and I will create my talagani cheese. Talagani cheese is very similar like halloumi cheese. If you cannot find it, you can use halloumi cheese. A few olive oil in a pan and we grilled it for a few minutes. In this part, I will take my fresh strawberries and I will add some balsamic syrup. I will mix it and I will leave it on the side. My halloumi, I think talagani, is ready. Let's turn it to the other side. I will take the mixing bowl. I will put the rucola and the baby spinach, cherry tomatoes, salt, pepper, olive oil, and I will chop the chocolate, dark chocolate. My talagani is ready. Turn off the fire. And now it's time for the strawberries. Serving my salad. It's time to try my salad.